Amazing. Good morning from beautiful Killarney, Ireland. Happy Saturday to you. I just started my journey, my adventure today, walking through the national park. It feels like I'm the only one here. There's nobody out right now, and it is just so magical. It is going to be a beautiful day, and I'm excited to explore. It's going to be a lot of walking, and you're coming with me. Welcome to Muckross Abbey. Wow. Or Friary. Oh, all the little nooks and crannies, the history this has seen. Strangely, one of the only like really ancient structures that I can walk into for free these days in Ireland. But oh wow, if these stones could speak, they have a lot of stories here. It's probably one of the more epic trees I've seen in its placement here in the courtyard inside the abbey that we are absolutely gonna hug this tree together. I think the monks back then were really short, all the doorways. I'm standing straight up and I'm a little person. I'm 5'2" and I still have to duck a little bit. Wow. Or they just liked short, small doorways. How could you not be completely enchanted at a place like this? Made it to the Muckross house. The estate is amazing. I'm gonna go explore it right now. I can tell you, a lot of time I like to adventure alone. This is just so charming, so enchanting. I really wish I had somebody to explore with. I'm doing a self-guided tour at Muckross Traditional Farms. And there's so many little points of interest. We're gonna go check out a traditional cottage. Cute, tiny. So, living area, kitchen, bedroom. Yeah, you're a beauty. The hen house, and there's no eggs right now.
No, there's no eggs on strike.
They're on strike!
Every bit of cooking, there was no electricity.
Right?
So every bit of cooking was done here.
Here.
Mind your head there, no mind the step.
Yes.
This is the parents' room.
Parents' room?
This was classed as the upper room with the step.
Okay. And then I'm gonna I wanna see the kids' room too.
Yeah, you can take a photo.
So the kids' room, this is where all the kids slept. The boys on one bed, the girls,
and the girls on the other bed.
in the other.
You could have them, then would be...
That could be a lot of kids in one tiny bed.
You might have two heads there.
Oh, head to feet, head to feet.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that. I found an egg. Good job, you guys. Who did it? Who did it? My clothes don't taste good. They don't taste good. Look at selfie, selfie. Can you see yourself? You can. Let's go take a look at now how they lived in the big farmhouse. Fascinating. This is where the big farm is, with lots of acreage. This is over 100 years old. So, sewing machine, every household had one of those. And let's go take a look. This would be considered the master bedroom for the parents. Kids room, stack them up, and the baby. This is what they call the parlor or the good room for all entertaining and whatever modern amenities. It's so green. Oh wow. Snack time. Feels like the indoor moon right now with all these trees and greenery. I love it. Of course my imagination goes there. Looking for some leprechauns and some Ewoks. Ready to go see a beautiful waterfall? Well, it's a pretty waterfall. Sometimes it's a journey and not necessarily the destination. I would say usually it is the journey getting there. That's the most adventure. Wow. I feel like I'm Alice in Wonderland right now. With all these really cool, very big leaves, plants. I feel like an umbrella. The thing is they have all these little thorns on them, so if you're walking through, you gotta be careful, you're gonna get cut up. Amazing! Wow, this tree is truly epic. I think I'm going to take a little break here. Wow. Beautiful. Can you hear that? Quiet. Decided to lay down here with this epic tree. On top of this rolling hill, I can see the lake back there. This massive Celtic cross, scenic views, cows, and this is a place that tourists don't know about.
I want to go in that castle.
Say hi!
Hi, camera.
Hi, camera! This is Dana. She's 5 years old.
No,
She's really 3.
5.
5. So you want to go to that castle?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Built in 1714, I just heard. Wow. It doesn't even look real. It's like a set on a movie. Everything that you see here is just, you are walking through a fairy tale of storybook. So let's go check out, as Dana said, let's go check out the castle.
It's like,
What'd you find?
stuff like over there, but it's a fog in water.
Not a mouse? Were you
Yeah,
able to
not a
read
mouse.
that?
Yeah, I read it.
I heard 1714.
So this church was built in 1714 to honor King James II, Colonel King James II in the army.
Ah, the electric fence or barbed wire. Sorry, Dana. We'll find some other cows.
Yeah.
This one's getting a nice rub on her face. That feel good? Yeah. Magical. Clear water. Sheep everywhere. Wow. I love Ireland. Welcome to Ladies View, the famous viewpoint here at Killarney. A nice windy drive up into the mountains through the rain. Okay, I'm getting called for a picture.